Hi, my name's Hannah. I do HR here at Hellamaid, so I do all the onboarding. So I'm the voice behind the phone, and I'm the one that's going to walk you through the full interview process. Our mission here at Hellamaid is to create a flexible and understanding environment for our cleaners because we look at it as a cleaners first approach. The better we take care of our cleaners, the better our cleaners take care of our customers. So we put everything we have into them so that way we can have a whole unified little ecosystem. Our values here at Hellamaid are truthfulness, openness, respect, communication, and reliability. So the perks of working with Hellamaid: generous pay. Cleaning is really hard work, so we want to really take care of our cleaners, so we pay you a premium in order for a premium service. We also promote flexible hours and flexible scheduling because life happens. And then it's a fun time. You're meeting tons of new people, you're meeting lots of cleaners in your area, so it becomes a nice little community. You're gonna love Hellamaid because we were here to work with you. So if you're looking to be your own boss, get paid weekly, work with some really amazing people, and have your own flexible schedule, apply to Hellamaid today.